In this video, we take a look at the Independent Series 4800DL, a tiny home designed and built by designer Eco Homes. The Australian builder used Western red cedar and corrugated metal for the exterior siding, measuring approximately 16 feet in length. This compact home packs a punch in terms of functionality and style. With a focus on sustainability, the Independent Series 4800DL is built using eco-friendly materials and features solar panels for energy efficiency. The spacious and elegantly designed lounge dining area offers a perfect space for relaxation and entertaining guests. This compact home boasts an elegantly designed lounge dining area that offers a comfortable and inviting space for relaxation or entertaining guests. With carefully selected furniture and clever use of space, the lounge dining area is designed to maximize functionality without sacrificing style. From the sleek finishes to the natural lighting, every detail is carefully crafted to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Join us as we explore the details of this stunning lounge dining area and discover how it can be customized to fit your unique lifestyle needs. The kitchen includes a cooktop, sink, and small refrigerator. A large pantry is located across from the kitchen counter, featuring a spacious king-size bed. The loft bedroom is designed to provide a comfortable and relaxing space for a good night's sleep. With a focus on functionality and style, the bedroom is beautifully decorated with thoughtful details that make it a cozy and inviting space. From the stunning natural lighting to the smart storage solutions, every aspect of the loft bedroom is carefully crafted to create a comfortable and practical living experience. The bathroom of a stunning home that boasts a shower with a glass door, a vanity with a mirror cabinet, and a toilet. The bathroom is thoughtfully designed with sleek and modern fixtures that provide a luxurious and comfortable experience. The shower with its glass door creates a sense of openness and elegance, while the vanity with its mirror cabinet offers ample storage and an added touch of sophistication. The toilet is also carefully chosen to blend in with the design of the bathroom while providing comfort and efficiency. From the tiles to the lighting, every aspect of this bathroom is expertly crafted to provide a luxurious and practical space. Homes for Bright Living was with you. See you soon.